After I drove home and sat in my driveway for like 15 minutes because I didn't know whether I was embarrassed or what, I've been thinking. And on top of that, I called my wife. You're lucky she's not here because she would be here if she wasn't on a work trip. I've been thinking, and I'm really starting to get mad. Really. It's either you come out here and talk to me, or we will get the lawyers. And you're lucky. You're lucky my wife's not here. Because if not, she would... You have got to be shitting me. Literally. You just wait till my wife gets back from a work trip. She's going to eat you alive.